Today's lecture is on alpaca fiber. Alpaca fiber belongs to natural fibers class or belong to animal fibers. We will cover source of alpaca fiber, processing and its types, physical properties, uses, and in the end we will discuss the sustainability and environmental impact of alpaca fiber. Source of alpaca fiber is luxurious natural fiber obtained from the alpaca, a domesticated species of South American camel family, primarily found in Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. It is known for its softness, warmth, and durability. So, in initial slide, we have discussed it belongs to natural fibers or animal fibers class. So, source is alpaca, domesticated species of South American camel family. Physical properties. Softness comparable to cashmere, alpaca fiber has silky and smooth feel. Second, warmth, superior insulating properties due to hollow core of the fiber. Strength, more durable than wool, resistant to wear and pilling. Fourth property is lightweight despite its warmth. It is lighter than sheep wool. Hypoallergenic, lacks lanolin, making it suitable for sensitive skin. In the end, water resistance naturally repel water and moisture. These were the physical properties of For the types of alpaca fiber is classified into two main types based on breed. Huacaya alpaca fiber texture is soft, fluffy, and crimpy, giving it a wool-like appearance. It is used for knitting, weaving, and making warm garments. Second type is Suri alpaca fiber. Its texture is silky, straight, lustrous with no crimps, and it is used for luxury fabrics, shawls, and high-end fashion items. So these were the types of alpaca fibers based on the breed. Processing of alpaca fiber. First step is shearing. Alpaca are shown once a year, typically in spring. Each animal produces around 2 to 5 kg of fibers per year. Second step is cleaning and sorting. The fleece is washed to remove dirt, debris. It is sorted based on fiber length, fineness, and color. Third step is spinning. The fiber is spun into the yarns of varying thickness depending on the intended use. Fourth is dyeing and weaving. Alpaca fibers can be dyed, but it is also valued for its natural color, 22 shades including white, beige, brown, gray, and black. So these are the processing steps of alpaca fiber. Uses. Alpaca fiber is used in wide range of textile applications, including apparel. When we talk about the apparel, it covers sweaters, coats, scarves, gloves, and socks. In luxury fashions, high-end suits, shawls, and designer garments. Third is also it is used in home textiles, blankets, carpets, upholstery. And the next section or category for its application is industrial use, high performance thermal wear and insulations. So these are the applications in different fields of textile like apparel, luxury fashions, home textiles, and industrial use. Sustainability and environmental impact of alpaca fiber is eco-friendly. Alpacas have soft foot pads preventing land degradations. Second, low carbon footprints requires less water and food than ships. The last is biodegradable, 100% natural and decomposes without harming the environmental. So these are the factors due to which it is sustainable and biodegradable or have a good environmental impact. These factors are eco-friendly, low carbon footprints, and biodegradability. Market trends and business potential. High demand in luxury fashions, brands increasingly use alpaca fiber for sustainable fashions as it is sustainable as well as biodegradable. Next is growing export market. Peru, Bolivia, and Chile dominated global supply as mostly it is found in these areas. Eco-conscious customers favor alpaca over the synthetic fibers due to sustainability and biodegradability factor. So I hope your concept about the alpaca fiber would be very clear. In the end, we are discussing about the conclusion. Alpaca fiber is a premium textile material known for its warmth, softness, and durability. With its eco-friendly nature and luxurious feel, it is increasingly becoming a preferred choice in high-end fashion and sustainable textile industries.